Hey guys, it's me Elise, and I hope that you guys are all doing well. I'm back with a new video. So I have a new wig from OMGHerHair, and if you guys check the info section below, as usual, I will have all the information, links, and discount codes provided there. So here is the wig that I have. I have their new 360 lace frontal wig. My wig is 20 inches long, 150% density, and it is in that kinky straight texture. This wig also features their super fine high definition lace, which blends in with all skin tones. It also features their clean bleach knot hairline, as well as this wig is pre-plucked, requiring no work whatsoever. This wig can be worn traditionally or up in a high ponytail. It also has their hidden adjustable elastic band, which can be adjusted to fit all head shapes. And if you do choose to wear this wig in a high ponytail, you'll notice that the back is seamless and looks super realistic. It's absolutely gorgeous. Now, once again, this wig is definitely beginners friendly. It requires absolutely no work whatsoever. I will be flat ironing this hair though, just because it's a lot of hair, though it is only 150% density. It is quite massive, so I will be doing a silk press on this wig. Now, I will link everything that I'm using throughout this video in the info section below, so in case you guys are interested in anything that I'm using, it'll all be listed there. Also, do take advantage of my discount code to save $30 off of your purchases. So use discount code ELISE30 to save some cash. And once again, I will just be doing a quick silk press on this hair, and you guys can see how gorgeous it is. The luster is beautiful.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. You know, you know, you know. You know, you know. You are not the one, you're not even my crush. You think you my style, but you barely made the cut. You say you don't need me, but I'm calling you.
So I'm about to get the wig on, but I want to show you guys my hair. I just have my hair in regular going straight back cornrows, and this is probably not the ideal braiding pattern for a 360 wig, just because my hair is super thick and super long. It did eventually end up bunching up in the back of the wig, and so therefore I thought that by me sort of wrapping my braids up to sort of mimic the beehive braiding pattern, that I would get a flatter surface. However, I did struggle with that quite a bit. So if you are someone like myself who has long thick hair, you may want to either try to braid your hair in a beehive, or maybe go to a professional braider who can do it for you. Once again, this is just something that I struggled with. So I went ahead and I removed the lace from the wig. And because this is a 360 wig, I do highly recommend cutting the lace off on like a mannequin head or a canvas block, just to prevent issues with you cutting your own natural hair. Now, I'm also applying a little bit of foundation that's closest to my skin tone all over the lace, just to reassure me that the lace is going to blend in seamlessly with my skin tone. So this is what the wig looks like on, and this is their new upgraded fitted cap. So if you choose not to adhere the wig down, you can definitely wear this wig as a glueless install, but just because I will be trying to wear this hair in a high ponytail, I will be adhering the wig down. I'm using my Melt Me Down spray. Once again, everything that I'm using throughout this video will be listed in the info section below. So I'm going to continue to adhere this wig down, and I'll see you guys once I'm done.
When you play these games, you get replaced. Baby, you should know you're never safe. When you play these games, you get replaced. Baby, you should know you're never safe. Baby, I just had to let you know. Baby, I just had to let you know. Baby, I just had to let you know. Baby, I just had to let you know.
So this is what this wig is looking like worn in its traditional style, just going straight down in a middle part. Now I wanted to do baby hairs, but I kind of wanted to just give you guys an overall traditional looks. I do realize that not a lot of you guys really like baby hairs like that. However, I kind of wish that I had a little bit of baby hairs, just because I struggle with the lace a little bit, just because of my spray tends to turn a little white and flaky. I'm still on the lookout for a adhesive or some kind of melting spray that doesn't flake up or turn white like that, because Hairline is fine, but it's really not to my standard. In a good way to sort of minimize that look is by wearing a little bit of baby hairs that I found. But for the most part, the hair is super soft, super gorgeous, and I am loving it. However, I am going to give you guys a different option on how to wear this wig, just because 360 wigs are supposed to be worn in various styles, like ponytails or a high bun or things of that nature. So I want to kind of give you guys a look of what this wig will look like being worn in a high bun. Now, once again, I do have quite a bit of hair underneath the wig, so it did kind of bunch up in the back. So I'm not going to focus too much on the back of the wig, just because of my personal issues. However, if you do decide to beehive braid up your hair, you will not struggle as much as I did. It's just I have so much hair in the back, so that is the reason why it's looking a little bulky in the back. But for the most part, this hair is gorgeous. You guys check out OMGHerHair. All the information will be left down below. Let me know what you guys think, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye guys.
Gas you up, you switched up so fast. If you think you can do better.